This question was asked by Google for 1125 times. We are given an array of integers and a target number, and we have to find the indexes of two numbers which adds up to this target number. For brute force solution, you will be checking each pair of these numbers. The time complexity would be O(n square, which is not good. For efficient solution, we will be using hash map. In our hash map, we'll be storing the number and its indexes. And before storing it, we will check its complement. For each of these numbers, we'll check if the complement of this number exists in this hash map or not. So the complement of 2 is 7, and we checked in the hash map that it's not available. So we've added 2 with its indexes in the hash map. The next number is 7. We'll check the complement of 7, which is 2, which is already there in the hash map. It means we have found our solution, and our solution is 0, which is the first number 2, and 7, which is the second number at index 1. So our output is 0 and 1. And this solution can be run in linear time. Follow for more videos like this.